think these are brand new.
So we want to put a piece of brass in the press, and we want to run it down.
They got blue paint on them.
And then we're going to run this down. We're going to run this down till it makes contact, and then we're going to. We're still not sure if that's where we want to keep it. So give me
it has to cam
a factory one. No, we're not camming nothing over. That's in case forming. We're not going to cam over.
That's in case prepping only. What you're saying, right?
I'm using this one. Keep it there.
I'm keeping it by the box. It's right there. All you need to grab it. What you snugging up there? To be really good stuff. I'm gonna try it.
Fill those, and we're gonna cap it with those. So you need to need to zero this out. Make sure all these are on 0. That, and that.
Okay, all three of them, all three of your
slides. Then you want to line that. You want to turn this knob
till it hits your darn.
So that is lined up with the exact center. And your eyes got to be parallel.
Pretty fucking close. Look.
All right, so now we want to do 40. So you're going to move this to your 40 button.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then you want to take
get the bulkier powder.
Get your dipper. See, I don't like this workspace because I'm all crowded here. You don't need to, I mean, we're only doing, but there's no way I would do it because you only need to flip this like 3 times and you should be right on the money. But I don't have the right dipper.
Well, we're going to quit messing with this here in just a second and play with that. See if we can get the Bluetooth up like it's supposed to. And just run some checks, let it learn the pattern, and you can weigh the charges on this and see what you think. Guarantee you they're fucking close.
So then you want to pour your powder into your funnel. See what I mean about crowded workspace now?
I do, Cam, I know.
Okay, now you're going to dump that in there. But there's something about this powder, it doesn't like to go down that funnel. Okay.
There's another funnel up there.
No, it's just it's the okay. Now you want to take a bullet out of your box.
They look good and prepped out, right?
Now you want to put it in your press. Now what I like to do is run it up
nice and slow.
I go make contact, go a little bit, I bring it down and I spin the bullet or spin the whole case.
Yeah.
And go a little bit more. This is what I do.
Just to make sure it's
that's what's called run out. That way the bullet goes in there completely straight.
If
you want to take any of that.
Thirds, like thirds, right?